This is Attilio Bachetti's Capricious Pizza. In a non-stick pan over medium-high heat, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Add the garlic and fry for about 30 seconds. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and cook them until all the water has evaporated, about 3 to 5 minutes. When the mushrooms turn golden brown, add the salt and chili pepper flakes. Set aside and let cool. For the tomato sauce, in a large bowl, mash the peeled San Marzano tomatoes by hand. Alternatively, you can use an immersion blender or food processor. Add the salt and mix. Set aside. Before stretching and topping your dough, fire up your oven and allow it to preheat for 15 to 20 minutes. Aim for 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 480 degrees Celsius on your baking stone. Place a dough ball on a lightly floured work surface. Push the air out from the center to the edges, leaving about a ½ inch for the crust. Stretch the dough using the slap technique until you have a disc of about 12 inches or 30 centimeters. With the help of a ladle, evenly spread about 1/3 cup or 74 grams of the tomato sauce over your dough. Add about 1/3 cup or 80 grams of the mozzarella and a little less than 1 cup or 70 grams of the sautéed mushrooms. 1 cup of the sliced prosciutto cotto or 56 grams, and about 1/4 cup or 40 grams of the olives, and 1 tablespoon or 4.5 grams of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and 1 tablespoon or 4.5 grams of Pecorino Romano. Finish with 5 to 6 basil leaves and add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Transfer the pizza to a lightly floured pizza peel and give the edges a little final pull to stretch it out and adjust its shape. Bake the pizza for 1.5 to 2.5 minutes, turning with a peel every 20 seconds or so to ensure an even bake. Take the pizza out of the oven. Add a few more leaves of fresh basil. Slice and enjoy.